What is up, YouTube? We are back. This is our third and final episode of this series, sausage making. That clip that you saw, the patty cooking in the skillet, that was the sample. And man, it tasted just as good as it looked. Let me tell you, my friends, you always want to take a little patty, cook it up, and see what the sausage is going to taste like before you encase it. Because once you encase it, that is it. You can't go back and change nothing. This is your opportunity to get the taste right before you encase it. All right, YouTube, we're going to get back to the action. Right here, I'm taking the time to put a little lubrication on various points of contact. I want to make sure that we don't have no problems doing this operation. This is canola oil that I'm using. These are metal on metal contact points. These bad boys are going to be in motion for quite a while. Although the meat is cold, I do want to make sure we have good lubrication so we don't have any metal fragments breaking off from the friction of the operation. Now, this part of the instrument, you want to make sure is well lubricated, because the casings that I was using was just big enough to fit, and if there's not enough lubrication, you'll see as we get started, you might encounter where it may stick to the funnel, and when that happens, you're going to have a rupture in the casing. So just sit back, relax, enjoy the tunes as we get started stuffing these casings. Take it away, J. Dot. To stay consistent during the grinding process, I had the mixer set setting number 4. So during the stuffing process, I set it on setting number 4, and the feed rate was great, and everything went real smooth. Check this out. Alright, as you can see right here, we encountered a rupture in the casing. Not a big deal, folks. Just go ahead, break it off, tie it off, and start again. It's that simple.
Drip that heat, 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 drip that heat.
As you can see, if your casing runs out, tie off the end, load up a new casing, and let it keep cranking out. It's that simple.
Drip that heat. 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 Drip that
You know what, folks? I just made the command decision to just go through and give each link a couple pokes on both sides. It won't hurt nothing. Alright, YouTube, we're at the point of the process where we're going to smoke some of these babies. Yeah, we got the Brunswick fired up, aka Big Tasty. Got him fired up. This was Super Bowl Sunday, and let me tell you, it was cold out there. We was in single digits. I think it was like 5 degrees, maybe even 4. I'm thinking more like 3. It was ridiculously cold. Per the owner's manual, cold weather cooking, you might want to bump up the heat. I wanted to maintain 150 degrees. That's pretty much your smoke setting. I did let it go at that, and it kept the internal temperature around about 125. So you'll see in the video I actually bump it up to about 170 to get me in the ballpark where I wanted to be. And then following after smoking, I wanted to stop the cooking process, got it into an ice bath, and you'll see all this. Check this out. Nice, very nice. But it is single digits out here right now, YouTube. So I'm gonna bump this baby up. I'm sitting at 160, and the actual temperature in the cooker is, I think it said 135 or something like that. So I wanted to keep it around 150. So we'll see what 70 does, but they look beautiful, and we'll be back. On YouTube, these are our smoked sausages. They smell awesome and they taste incredibly great. I'm gonna get these babies packaged up. I'm gonna vacuum seal them. YouTube, there we go. Got them all packaged up, ready for storage. Man, this was an awesome experience. Look forward to doing it again. Alright, YouTube, this is our second batch. We just pulled them out of the fridge. They went overnight. The casings have set up. I'm just going through the process of separating the links. And it's real simple. Clean set of shears. Cut them apart. That simple. Now, in order to vacuum seal these links, because I didn't smoke them, I went ahead, put them in the freezer, let them stiffen up, and then I vacuum sealed them for storage. Alright, YouTube, here comes my favorite part, cooking them. Now the ones I didn't smoke, I put them in a beer bath with some onions and some bay leaves. And after the beer bath, we got them to the grill, and you see both links are on the grill, smoked and the beer bath ones. And they came out phenomenal. Check this out. man, these babies came out awesome. Look at how nice they look. Tender, juicy, plump, and yes, they tasted awesome. And you'll see how we prepped them. You can see here we got one on the bun with the onions and peppers, and I'm not a bun guy, I'm a meat and potatoes type guy, and you can see I went without the bun, same toppings, but the mustard and hot sauce, my, that was a good eat. Alright YouTube, that's going to do it for this episode, this series, homemade sausage making. Hey Pitmasters, let's keep them burning. And we thank you for taking the time for checking us out. And we wish you much success on your next cook.